We'll guide you through how to change the country in the Amazon app. Here we are on Amazon. Changing your country is useful because it can give you access to different languages, products, and regional settings. You might need to do this if you're moving to another country, or simply want to shop from a different region. And don't worry, it's not permanent. You can always change it back later. To get started, open the Amazon app. Now go to the bottom menu and tap the profile icon. Here you'll see your account details like orders. To change the country, look at the top right corner and tap the flag icon. In this case, it shows the United Kingdom flag. Next, tap Country/Region. You'll now see a list of available countries. Scroll through and choose the one you want. For example, you can select Canada. Once selected, Amazon will update your currency and available language options automatically. Finally, tap Done, and the app will refresh with your new region settings. And that's it, it's that simple. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video.